Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amila. Hi, Parira. Hi, Aishin. All the girls are here. Oh my god. Guys, could you please turn on your camera? Good job. What about Barira? Barira. Barira, are you there? I'm gonna count till five, Barira.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Good job, Barira. Very nice. Okay. Amila, is your mama there? No, I want to talk to all the parents actually, not only you guys. Don't worry. Is mama there?
Yes, Mama's here, but she's sleeping.
She's sleeping. Can I meet her after the P1 period?
Which this period?
The first period. After your first period is over,
Yeah. Okay.
I'll join here, okay?
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
who else do I have to speak? No one else. Barira and Aishin, Adira ma'am will speak to your parents, okay? We are meeting with everyone parents, so there's nothing to worry about, so don't worry.
Anything special?
Anything special?
Nothing special. Just have to inform a small thing. Not regarding you guys. It's not a complaint. Don't worry. Because your faces are going down. Just the management, sorry, admin made a decision, so I just wanted to inform them. Shankar, how was your day? Where's your uniform, Amira? What happened?
It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Oh my god, yes. I forgot. I'm so sorry. Because I saw Barira and white, so I thought uniform. It's a Wednesday. Guys, where are the others?
Wait, can I go change into my color dress?
Okay, yes. Turn on the off the camera and go. Yeah. Okay, how was your day yesterday? Just that.
It was not. I don't know. Yesterday was evening so cold here.
You went out?
Yo, yesterday was so good because there is no teachers and we play so many games. Yeah, it's correct.
I think Salim sir came to your class, right?
In maths and yes, Salim sir is there, but he play like lecture game.
Oh.
And yesterday we played a lot, Amila.
And
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, but for some reason I can't find Amila on Roblox.
Why?
You
I
can.
don't know. It said a name like that does not exist. Where?
have you noticed something? There are only girls here today.
Yeah.
Only these girls are
Even you are a girl.
Yeah, that's why I said only girls are here. 5 of us are here. No boys.
Yeah, no boys and
There were lots.
There's no
That's why
stinky
everyone is
boys.
talking together,
Yay.
No one talks.
I'm new.
Just imagine if they're actually absent. It's gonna be crazy.
It's going to be 4 of you.
I hope like the boys are not here for like the entire class. Wouldn't that be great?
Great. Super great.
Yeah.
That's me.
Because they're the noisiest
will
one.
definitely come.
Hiya, I want to meet your parents. When can I meet
We're
you?
missing some few girls. We're missing some few girls, I'm pretty sure.
Is anyone there now?
My mother's sleeping from night duty.
Me too.
Okay. When can I meet
Can
you?
anybody guess what color is my color dress?
It's just for 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Can anybody guess what my color dress is?
Marina is not allowing me to speak. Marina, you're not allowing me to speak.
2 minutes? Okay, I can hold her. She's not
Yeah, not a
asleep yet.
No, you don't have to wait.
Yeah,
ma'am.
at least-
Like, when can I meet today? Just an announcement,
Probably.
I have to give nothing else. Don't worry.
What is that announcement? Now I also want to hear it. Okay, she'll be around like, I think,
After the second hour,
yeah, 1:30.
how about after your second hour? Does that work?
After the second class,
Yes.
Can I tell everybody something, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, can anybody guess what is the color of my color dress?
Pink.
no, she won't wake up at 9:10. She'll only wake
It's
up
my
at
favorite color.
11.
Pink, 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 pink.
No, pink, pink. No, no,
Purple.
no,
Purple.
White.
no, no.
Black.
All the colors are
Ooh,
there.
close.
Purple.
Ooh, close. Aisha is close. Aisha is close, but no.
Dark blue. Purple.
Wait, ma'am.
Yes.
What do it is?
It's purple. It's purple.
What is the thing that you want to tell us?
Ma'am said dark. Ma'am said dark
Blue
blue.
already. I said blue. Everyone, we have to talk to everyone. So we divide. There are so many kids, right? So Adira ma'am will talk to
Look.
half of the parents. I will talk to half of the parents.
Oh, there are so many kids.
There are so many kids.
Everybody's waiting.
Ma'am, at the Hindi class ending.
You know what happened yesterday? My mom was cooking food, okay? She was cooking food in, what do you say, a steel. And then also a steel, like a spoon also like that. So then my mother kept it there and then she mixed it and then she came back. And then she told, my father told me to go and mix that up and come back. Okay, ma'am? My father told me to mix that up and come back.
I'm pretty sure your
So I went to mix that up. When I touched the hand, like these two fingers on the spoon, it was super duper hot. So I burned my hand, like these two fingers.
You have to be careful.
But I didn't know that was gonna be hot.
Look, earlier, like when I was in India, I got chatka on my thumb, and it was in the fire.
Amila.
Ma'am, at my 8 age, I take a scissor and cut my nail, and I cut my cheek skin. I cut my skin too.
That's going to be painful.
No,
Yes,
this
that's
is
very-
painful than that because this is painful than that. My hand is like bulging.
You know the
Yes,
chopper,
I was
ma'am?
trying so
You know the
hard.
chopper? Ma'am, you know the chopper like this? I'll jump on it.
Okay, so before I go, reminder. Amila, after the first hour.
Wait, ma'am, I have a question.
Amila, after the hour, you have to stay back
End
here.
of right? End of the Hindi class, right?
End of the Hindi class, you have to come back. So it will take only
And the other
minutes
class?
of your parents' time. Sounds good? Yes, Barira.
End of the Hindi class, I need to join in one.
You have to join.
Be quiet, everybody.
Yes, you can.
Okay. So I also got hurt, but in the fire. Yes. Not on the spoon or whatever Amila said. Look, see, when I was helping my mom cook in India, and I did not realize my thumb went in the fire.
Arshin, did you get
But
any
once I
injuries,
felt-
Arshin?
Once I felt it, I just took it away quickly. But it was only like a teensy bit because this was the fire and my
Guys,
thumb
go
was
to
like,
your classes. Your class is not here, right?
yeah.
Go to your Hindi classes. Arabic
Can
classes.
anyone guess what's inside?
Not now. Amila, Aishin, bye. Hiya, bye.
Bye.
Hiya, bye.
No, the boys,
Join
the
back again. I'll
boys.
be here
Get
waiting for
out.
you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yes,
No,
yes,
what's the boy here? Get the boy out of here.
You have to go to your Hindi class. Go to your Hindi class.
Ah!
Go.
Ah,
Bye,
go.
bye, people. Have a good
Bye-bye.
day.